children. Next we move on to the next plane figure, rectangle. Okay, as we already seen, what's a rectangle? It's all things we have discussed. Longest side length, shortest side is breadth. Okay, so what is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter. Okay, perimeter is the definition, the total distance. So this is length, this is breadth, this is length, this is breadth. So 2 length, 2 breadth. So it is written in the short form 2 into bracket L plus B. Length plus breadth. 2 into L plus B. Okay. So now we are going to learn from perimeter how do you find length. The perimeter is 2 times of length and breadth. 2 times of the sum of length and breadth. So how do you find length? To find length, first what you have to do is perimeter divided by this 2 and minus plus b is here, it becomes minus b. Okay, so to find the length of the rectangle from perimeter, what do you have to do first? 2 into, this 2 should be divided with the perimeter and this plus b to be minus b. Same way, how can you find breadth? Come on. Same way, perimeter divided by 2, divide by 2 because it's 2 into. So divided by 2 and plus L become minus L. So these are 2 formulas, 3 formulas. The main formula is perimeter, and from perimeter how we can solve length and breadth. Once again, perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B. How to find length from perimeter? So perimeter should be divided by 2 and minus breadth, and to find breadth, perimeter should be divided by 2 and minus length. Okay, now area. Area of rectangle. That's simple. Let's like square it is side into side. Here it is length into breadth. So area, from area, how do you find length? Area is L into B. So to find length, this is into area divided by breadth. You have to see the operation connected with length. It's multiplication. Here the operation connected with length is plus. That's why minus is come. Okay. Here the operation connected with length is multiplication. So multiplication is opposite operation, division. So to find length, area divided by B. How do you find breadth? Yes, area divided by length. So these are the main formulas connected to perimeter and area of rectangle. Once again, perimeter is 2 into L plus B. You already applied this formula in previous chapters. Now, from that perimeter content, we are deriving a formula for length. How you can learn it very easily. To find length, there is a number 2 in front of it. It's into 2. So the perimeter should be divided by the 2 into. So opposite divide by 2. Along with length, it is positive b plus b. So it is minus b opposite. Okay. How do you find breadth? Breadth is equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus along with b plus minus L. Now area equals to length into breadth. Its operation is multiplication. So the opposite operation is division. So length equals to, yes, area divided by breadth. Breadth is equals to area divided by length. Okay, let's see a question. Question number 1. The length of a rectangular field is 20 meter and its area is 500 meters square. Find its length, find its breadth and perimeter. Okay, See the given thing, underline. Length is given, length. Then area is given. What we have to find? Breadth. Okay, so area, length, breadth. So it is connecting to the formula area, length into breadth. So length is given, L is given 20 meter. Area is given 500 meters square. So how do we find breadth? That's the question. So it connects to, yes, breadth equals to, come on, it connects to which concept? Breadth is equals to, yes, area divided by length, right? Which is equal to 500 divided by 20. 0, 0 cancel. So 2 one time, 2, 25. So breadth is equals to 25 meter. Okay. So length we got, breadth we got. Now the question is what? Find its perimeter. What is perimeter? Yes. So perimeter equals to, perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B. Okay. So 2 into 20 plus 25. So 2 into 45, which is equals to 90 meter. Okay, so the breadth, okay, I made a mistake here. This is breadth, okay. Make correction. This is breadth, and this is going to find out the length. So breadth is given. We have to find out the length. The length is equal to area divided by breadth. Okay, so we got breadth. Then putting in the formula, perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 20 plus 25. Length is 25 plus 20. So 45, 90 meter. Okay, so that's the question. The breadth of a rectangular field is 20 meter and its area is 500 meters square. Find its length and perimeter. Okay. Next question. The perimeter of a blackboard is, question number 2. The perimeter of a blackboard is, the perimeter of a blackboard is 300 meter. And its breadth is, 50 meter. Find its length and area. Okay, read the question. The perimeter of a blackboard is 300 meters. So perimeter is given and its breadth is given. Okay, so perimeter equals to 300 meter, breadth B is equals to 50 meter. Find its length from perimeter. So perimeter formula, you remember, perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So how do you find length from perimeter formula? Yes, perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. Once again, finding length from perimeter is perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. That is 300 divided by 2 minus 50. Divided by 2. 2 stable 1, 2 stable 1, 150. So 150 minus 50, which is equals to 100 meter. So the length is 100 meter and breadth is 50 meter. Now find its area. Area. What is the formula? Area is equal to, yes, length into breadth. That is 100 into 50, which is equal to 5,000 unit. What is the unit? Meter square. So in this problem, perimeter of the blackboard is given, breadth is given, finding length. So recollect the formula of finding length from what? Perimeter. Perimeter divided by 2 minus b. So 300 divided by 2 minus 50. 300 divided by 2 is 150. 150 minus 50 it's 100. So area is equal to length into breadth, 100 into 50, 5,000 meters square. Okay. Now the last question. The area of a square and rectangle are equal. Okay, the side of the square is the side of the square is 40 centimeter and breadth of the rectangle is breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter. Find the length and perimeter. Find its length and perimeter. Okay, read this question. It's very important. Read well. It's about both figures, square and rectangle. What is given? The area of a square and rectangle are equal. That means when you know the area of square, the same area will be rectangle square. Okay, and it's given side of a square is 40. So side, this is square, one side is square, another is rectangle. They both have same area. So the square side is equals to 40. Okay, so immediately you can find out the area, isn't it? Because only square side is given, so you can calculate the area. And in rectangle, what is given? The breadth is given. The breadth is given 25 centimeter. Okay, so area, side is 40, so area is side into side. So 40 into 40, 4 fours are 16, so 1600 centimeters square. Okay, so when we find the area of square, can it be taken to rectangle, the same area? Yes, because it said that they both have same area. So here also the area will become 1600 centimeters square. Okay, so here we got breadth 25, area this much. So can we find the length? Length from area and breadth? Connect the formula. How do you find length from area and breadth? Yes, area divided by breadth. So 1600 divided by 25. Let's do here 1600 divided by 25. 5 5s 5 3s are 15, 1 remainder 10, 5 2 0. Right? Again 5 1s, 5 6 are 30, 2 5 4s are 64. So 64 centimeter. So we got the length. Now finally what we have to find out? Perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter is formula. Yes, tell. 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length is 64 plus breadth is 25. So 2 into 89. So 178 centimeter. Okay, so we have discussed 3 problems here in rectangle and 3 problems in square. To do the problems, first you have to understand the concept, perimeter and area, and under that learn all the formulas related to it and read the question twice and underline the important points and write the given thing and then connect it with formula, whether it is perimeter or area related problem, and then start solving the question very carefully. Okay, so all should write the notes what all I have written here and do the homework. For you, homework is already one homework I have given from chapter 4. So I am putting both the homework together. The homework is, first homework was exercise simplification chapter, exercise 4.4, question 1, A to G. Okay, now exercise 11.1, homework is question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5, question 7. Okay, so learn all the formulas thoroughly and try to do the homework on your own, understanding the concepts taught. Okay, thank you.